Lena stood at the edge of the ancient forest, the whispers of forgotten tales rustling through the leaves. She had always heard stories about the enchanted grove deep within, a place where time danced differently, and magic was as real as the air she breathed. Determined, Lena stepped into the forest. The path twisted and turned, leading her to a clearing bathed in ethereal light. In the center stood a grand old tree with a door carved into its trunk. With a deep breath, she pushed it open and entered a world where stars hung low enough to touch and rivers sang melodies of old. In this mystical realm, Lena met creatures from legends, wise old owls, shimmering fairies, and a gentle dragon with eyes that held the universe. They welcomed her, sharing stories of bravery and love. As dawn approached, Lena knew